Hello, and welcome back to the Wrapped and Scraps channel. Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to my channel, your channel, our channel. What are we doing today? Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day in Zamunda, and Mima, not me, because I'm somebody's grandma too, but my mama, great grandma, she's getting ready to take her grandbabies and teach them how to skate. Now, that's not really my thing. I used to skate back at the skating rink, but it's been a long time. So I'm gonna let her do this because, you know, my mom, she's about that life and she can do that. So we're about to go learn. Come on, let's go. We're gonna learn today. Y'all ready to learn how to skate?
Yeah!
Good job, Daya. Are you sliding? Cool. Here comes Lee. Hi, Lee. Where's your mask, Lee? Uh-huh. Where are you gonna get on? That slide? Why? You won't. I can slide down there and don't get stuck. You're okay. Good job. Grandma. Oh, check out Grandma. Who else, Grandma, you know can skate? What? Go, Grandma. It's your almost birthday. You about to go first?
Yeah. But what is this?
I was going to tell you. That's a stopper. It helps you stop. Rolling it. See? You're going with the skate.
I'm ready to skate.
You got to wait. We're going to do one at a time, okay?
Big C. I don't know. Okay.
Stand up. Stand up. Hold on. Straighten your back. You got it?
Straight. Push it. Push it. Push. Go.
Move your feet.
Move them feet.
Hold on
Yeah.
with your arms. Move your feet.
I'm trying to fall.
Are you trying to follow? Hold your arms tight. Put it in your arms and push your booty out. Put it in your arms and push your booty out. Don't worry about your feet.
Good job.
You tired now?
This is the family dog, Ace. He's not my dog. He's my auntie's dog, but he's the only dog allowed in my house.
Your legs are going to feel a little wobbly. Just keep your legs as straight as you can at first. And
Push with your arms.
I got you.
Push with your arms.
And put all your weight in your arms. Okay? You got it?
She's huge.
She's taller than me in this case. No, you're doing good. I can't help. Come on,
Come on, see.
you can get the other side.
Just stand right there.
Stop and you're not stopping and the chair's not stopping. Yeah.
Girl. And then she say, my auntie and my grandma made me do it.
Oh, okay. Okay, how much farther are we going? Good job, baby. Good job. That's the way you want to. Good job.
You got into the car with me.
Good job.
Right ahead. That's it. My arm got to get
Don't
out.
try to do like you saw me. Hold
She's
on.
the most daring.
Did you hear me? She said, I want to skate fast. Did you hear?
I know. I told you.
Before I was ready.
I told you she's the one. There you go, like that.
Stand up. Okay, together. Okay. Oh, girl, she ready.
I told you this one.
She ready. Okay, you ready? Let's go.
Put your booty out a little bit. Put your booty out a little bit. Lee.
You need to stick your booty
There you go.
out. Okay, let's go.
I'm doing this.
You are. Pay attention to what you're doing.
And don't go up under the chair, okay?
Follow your phone.
Thank you. Now skate. Skate with Granny.
How you guys look?
You look wonderful.
You look great.
She's worried about how she looks.
Oh, girl, bye. If that ain't me and you. She said, how do I look?
She's her mother's child. How do I look? You look wonderful. Y'all see my mama? This is somebody's great grandma out here roller skating, okay? She is a great grandma, my mama. Now, if your mama can do this, look at that. Look at that. Got a big sister pushing a little sister on the playground. How sweet is that? All right, you guys, and so it's time for a meal. I thought I would try my hand at making some shrimp and grits. And so here are all my ingredients. We have the green onion. We have the, what is it called? Parsley, lemons, salt, pepper, garlic salt, yada, yada, yada. I'll list the recipe down below. It's pretty simple, and it was delicious. We had a great time with that one. Go. Go ahead, girl. Give a spin. Yay, Billy. So you guys, we had a really great day. It was just so nice to have my mom and auntie visiting. As you can see here, my daughter thinks she's a ballerina. She's got some bells on her ankle. Don't know what that's about, but it was super annoying. But she had a good time with it, so I just kind of let it go on, and she loves dancing with her granny, and we had a great time. So that is it, family. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps, meaning repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of your life. Remember to stay loving you. Remember to stay loving God. Remember to stay loving life because you're still here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.